Hello! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smart band from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zap application on the iPhone that is paired with our smart band. Oh, let me close it and open it again. So, like this. Once you open the application, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the profile icon, then tap on the Amazfit Band 5 to select it. And on the Amazfit Band 5 device page, scroll down. At the bottom you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again. Now let's tap on Got It. As you can see, the Amazfit Band 5 disappeared from the list of devices on the profile page. We can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. Find the Amazfit Band 5 on the list of devices connected to your iPhone. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget this device to confirm. And now we can close the settings and our smart band is unpaired from our iPhone. As you can see, it resetted itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this band from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.